you're saying this is like a mythological city?
Yes, this project mapping the Caucasus with you, in Caucasus already from 1801 we have invasion from Russia,
Right,
and
Chechnya
then
and Dagestan.
this also like a northern, and
Yeah, yeah,
the whole Caucasus was like a already from 1801,
yeah,
we have like a Russian power.
yeah, yeah,
Before, of course, we have Iran
yeah,
and
yeah,
Turkey, Ottoman Empire
yeah, yeah,
before, of course, like a colonizing part
yeah,
of it. But later Russian invasion was turned into um, it was kind of ground for Iran, Turkey, and Russia
yeah,
to like a divide different Caucasian people and places
yeah,
and nations
yeah,
into like like a place for fighting for power for
yeah,
this
yeah,
big
yeah,
for these big powers fighting there.
yeah,
And at certain point we had independence for
yeah,
3 years, like
yeah,
three big nations in
yeah,
Caucasus: Armenia, Georgia, and Azerbaijan.
yeah,
Then Soviet Union, of course, took back
yeah,
these countries, and then in 1991 again we become independent. But
yeah,
then this
yeah,
division of the land was problematic, like a
yeah,
border, especially where the border goes between these so many nations and ethnicities in Caucasus.
mm,
So basically, this was the idea to make instead of these historical books that we
yeah,
have a lot,
yeah,
and different views and fictions of
yeah,
this historical point of views. Then I started to collect memories. So
yeah,
basically, what happens here is a few of my friends from the Caucasus region, like
yeah,
Azerbaijan,
yeah,
Armenia, and Chechnya, and
yeah,
Abkhazia, and
yeah, yeah,
Ossetia, they sharing memories and I illustrating them.
yeah. All right,
And then
understand.
like working also online, like sending them back
Yeah,
these drawings and then collecting more stories.
yeah,
So basic structure of this project is the collection of the memories and
yeah,
illustration of the
yeah, yeah,
memories.
yeah.
So
Oh well.
for instance, this my friend in Azerbaijan, and he's Babi Badalov, and he's mapping his village.
Yeah,
So where his mother's graveyard and where is bank, where
yeah.
is what happens in this. Yeah, different ways of mapping.
Sure. So, and you recently went to
Hmm?
Belfast. How did the being in Northern Ireland affect
Northern
you?
Ireland,
And how you said it helped you? You had very similar problems and struggles.
yeah, there is similarity, for instance,
Yeah,
between symbols. In
yeah,
Northern Ireland,
yeah,
they have this Ulster hand,
yeah,
and in Georgia, we have also northern part of Georgia,
yeah,
Abkhazia, region of Abkhazia, who historically also goes out and comes back to Georgia like as a unity. They have also same symbol of the
mm,
hand, like
yeah,
a cut hand.
yeah, yeah,
But yeah, there are lots of similarities with
mm,
um, with problems. But what I'm really curious about
yeah,
methods of how citizens themselves think to solve
yeah,
these, like these problems when they're
yeah,
so close with each other, and
yeah,
they're like families and people already
yeah,
living together. For
yeah,
instance, enemy, whatever they
yeah,
call each other, they are already in these border regions. They are already
yeah,
mixed families, right? So here, for instance, I collected in online discussion
yeah,
when so-called enemy sides, like
yeah,
Georgians and Abkhazians,
yeah,
they switch their sides and
yeah,
they talk how to solve the
yeah,
problems.
yeah, yeah,
For instance, in this case, we have discussion, online discussion, when they talking about flexible border.
yeah,
In the case when lots of tourists coming to
yeah,
Black Sea area,
yeah,
so how to share these tourists,
yeah, yeah,
because tourists want to cross the border, right?
yeah,
So this kind of discussions, it's sometimes happens. It's very positive.
yeah, yeah,
I mean, in the terms of
yeah.
kind of solving the problem.
So you're a bit like a peacemaker, then.
I like to see myself like this, of course.
Yeah.
But I did not make any peace yet. It's just fantasies.
Yeah.
I'm fantasy peacemaker.